One of the benefits of being a homeowner is that you build equity over time. By selling your house, that equity can be used toward purchasing your next home, or you can use it to expand your financial portfolio and purchase an investment property. Hello, this is Rick Miller, and I'm a realtor here on Hilton Head Island. Thanks for watching my Jodico Properties YouTube channel, where I am dedicated to helping you maximize your buying and selling real estate opportunities here on the island so you can make the best decisions for yourself and your family. Besides being a great place to live, Hilton Head Island is a great place to own an investment property. With 2.5 million visitors to the island, including all the snowbirds and workers needing both short and long-term housing, housing does always seem to be in demand. Utilizing the equity from your primary residence is a great way to acquire an investment property here on the island. But before you can put that equity to use, you should understand exactly what equity is and how it grows. Home equity is the portion of your home you've paid off, and including any appreciated value. In other words, minus any outstanding mortgage loan balances. If you've owned your home for a while, you've likely built up some equity, and you may not even realize how much. Based on the data from the United States Census Bureau, the majority of Americans have a substantial amount of equity right now, and having such a large amount of equity is a benefit to homeowners in more ways than one. Over time, your home equity grows. In addition to providing financial stability while you own your house, when you're ready to sell it, that money could go a long way towards paying for your next home, or if not, in the meantime, enabling you to expand your personal financial investment portfolio to acquire additional income, generating real estate assets. The bottom line, by leveraging your equity in your primary residence, it can be easier to pay for your next home. If this is something you're interested in, give me a call. We can find out how much home equity you have, discuss some options, and start planning your next move. Thanks for watching. Until next time, if you're looking to sell, good luck with your sale. And if you're looking to buy, then happy house hunting.